That is Eric K Garage. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's Eric K Garage. You subscribe to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here to present to you this video how to fix your cylinder head properly. If your engine get overheating and you want to change the gasket, and you're about to change the gasket, you're supposed to do the process that you have to pass through before you fix your head or your gasket. This is what you're supposed to do. The proper way to doing it is you sandpaper the top wear with sandpaper and then the flat fire. You can see it. To sandpaper it, you can see the surface is how it's supposed to be done. You put the flat fire inside the sandpaper to level the face properly so the face becomes smooth and then nicer before you put your head gasket. So that is what you're supposed to do. You see the face neat. If your engine gets overheating, it's supposed to do, you pass through it before you fix your cylinder head or a gasket. So this is the head. We'll finish the head, then come back to the gasket itself. See how I apply the gasket cement in the face of the gasket. This is the face where you put in the face of the engine block. You see, yes, you first apply that face before. That's a gentle work. You can apply it front and back as you are holding, but the gentle work so that you avoid the gasket cement to touch your hand plenty. So you do it gentle. You apply the face first. After that, then you put it on the face of the block. Then you start where your engine head or cylinder head. You place the cylinder head. This is the face of the cylinder head. So after that, you apply the cylinder, apply the gasket cement neat. You apply it neat. Now you see it's simple and so neat to do, and there's a proper way to do that. It's a gentle work, neat work. You do it, then you are good to go, and you get a face of the engine and then the face of the cylinder head. That's the proper way to do, to apply or fix cylinder head gasket and then the cylinder head. After that, because of the gasket cement, it can block the small hoses on the gasket so you have to create that small hose. That small hose, oil pass through it. Some oil pass through it, some to the water pass through. So you have to create it, and then after that you place your cylinder head. Then you tight your cylinder